How to fix Instagram collaboration problem. Hello guys, so the first step you have to do is open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, and after that go to the apps again. Now on this page, all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading. Scroll down until you find Instagram, as you can see right here, and click on it. After you click on it, it will take you directly to this page. All what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on this force stop option, and after you click on it, then all what you have to do is go to the storage, and now click here on clear data and clear cache, and after that go to the app details or the Play Store. And now here all what you have to do is click on this update option. After you click on it, it will start updating your Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.